A road trip only turns into a great drive when the pleasures of the journey are equal to the delights of the destination.
Thank you, Anjali, for having me over for breakfast on a boat. I don't think I've ever done that before.
So this is a haven for migratory birds, and where the herbivores are, the carnivores are close on heels.
On this side, we generally see a lot of leopards moving.
You can really hear the forest coming alive now. As the sun is setting, the jungle is waking up.
Because these are mahua trees, Bob, and farmers will never cut mahua trees.
If you get to see a ghost tree in the evening, it shines like a creature of some different world. And did you see the alpha male of the group? It looked fabulous. I learnt about the trees, the nature and insects.
Dhupgarh at 4,429 feet is the highest point in central India.
I hope and pray this survives for future generations.